Hey Penn State, the ID Plus card is going mobile. All the same benefits with better security right at your fingertips, making transactions and access even easier.
We will show you how to set up a mobile ID Plus card on your device.
Your mobile ID is now available on iPhone, Apple Watch, and Android phones. Simply download the Transact eAccounts app, select Penn State, and log in with your Penn State single sign-on user ID and password. To add the mobile ID Plus card to your smartphone, tap Add to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet and follow the instructions. Once you accept the terms and conditions, that's it! Your mobile ID is now on your iPhone, Apple Watch, or Android phone.
You can then tap to pay with LionCash or a meal plan at accepting vendors. You can also enter facilities such as your assigned residence halls and so much more. Just a simple tap and you are on your way. Also, if your iPhone's out of reach, don't worry, your Apple Watch has you covered. For more information about Mobile ID Plus card, visit idcard.psu.edu. Add the Mobile ID Plus card to your iPhone, Apple Watch, or Android device and enjoy the seamless mobile experience of a digital campus. We are
Penn State.